make money while sleeping, but in order to do that on Facebook, you need a tax ID. I'll show you how to get it instantly.
So let's get straight to the point. In order to get your tax identification number, you need to go to the portal, and now it's a lot easier. You can get it instantly. I got mine instantly, and I hope that this video helps you, because if you want to monetize your Facebook, you're going to need your tax ID. And please always remember that when you're setting up your payout account, you should indicate that you're an individual. You're not a business, so you're an individual. So for your tax ID, you're going to go to Google and you're going to search Get My TIN Nigeria or Get My Tax ID Nigeria. Before then, what is your tax ID? It is a unique number that's jointly issued by the Nigerian Revenue Service and the Joint Revenue Board in accordance with the Nigerian tax laws for the purpose of identifying individuals and entities for tax administration, compliance, and enforcement. That means the money where you want to make for Facebook now, you go still dey share them with government. So under Nigeria's tax administration framework, a tax ID is not created in isolation. It is derived from and linked to officially recognized foundational identity systems. I'm going to put this link down in the description so that you can read more. So CAC offers it to companies, while the NIN offers it to individuals. So National Identification Number is issued by the National Identity Management Commission, NIMC, for individuals, whereas CAC, Corporate Affairs Commission, is for getting the TIN for your business. So when you search Get My TIN Nigeria here, you search Get My TIN Nigeria. Sorry, I'm typing.
If you're following this video, you should have your TIN by now. I'll put the link in my caption.
The first thing that comes up is the TIN registration portal. Now it's going to take you to the old website likely, or to take you straight to the new website. So register for TIN as an individual. Remember to register as an individual. Do not go and click to register as a business. So you click as an individual. To register for TIN as an individual, click here, and then you're going to click on that. This is a very quick process. You're going to get it immediately. Okay, so it's when you click on that it takes you to the old website where you now have an email, a number to call, and then in about 2 seconds the new website appears. You're now on the new website wondering, what should I click on this place? What you should click here is just scroll down. If you're using your desktop, I'm going to also send screenshots, but if you're using your phone, you're likely already watching my screen right now. Just go to that place and then put your cursor in the National Identification Number, NIN. That means the detail you're providing is NIN. So go to NIN. If you don't have NIN, please go get NIN now. You need NIN to also do your passport. So go get your NIN. It's very important. So you check and you put your NIN here. So now that you have your NIN, it's very simple. They're going to then give you a form. A form is going to pop up. It doesn't require much. Just your name, your surname, and your date of birth. That's all. And immediately your TIN will come out. Sharp, sharp, sharp. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, watch my previous videos, stick around. I give a lot of helpful advice and provide a lot of helpful and entertaining content as well, and also content to help people monetize, get rich, and stay rich. Thank you so much. Check out my other channels for my other accounts and my other content, as you will see in the description. Take care of yourself. God bless you in everything you do, and happy monetization to you. I could give you my heart, so I could give you my number. I've been watching you for corner. You were looking at me. I'll show you.